Alright, YouTube, we're gonna pull it out, add a little moisture to it, wrap it up, let it go back. What's up, YouTube? We got our little, finna do a picnic ham, Boston butt, whatever you want to call it. This is my injection sauce. Alright, got a needle that worked. Here we are with our injection. Just run around, hit all the muscles. I'm not going to bore you with me doing this, so it'll take 10-15 minutes. But I'm sure y'all get the idea. I'm sure everybody's doing it. If you hadn't watched the Martha Stewart video, she'll show you though. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit with a rub. Alright, YouTube, we got it injected. Now we're going to put some of my secret rub on it. Ain't really a big secret, it's mainly brown sugar. A few other things. Like that sweet taste and that pork. Apple taste. Y'all get the idea there. Alright. Got it rubbed down good on all sides. I'm gonna wrap it up. Let it set in the ice box overnight. In the morning when I get up to carry spice or dialysis, I'll set it out, let it get up to room temperature. And we'll throw it on the smoker when I get back. Probably gonna cook it at low and slow for about 6 hours. It's not a real big piece. I think it weighed like 10-11 pounds, somewhere in there. That's with the bone in. I always leave the bone in. That's where all your flavor comes from. That and the injection, which is mainly apple juice. A few other things in there. Y'all see it in the morning when I put it on the smoker. Alright, she's been sitting all night. About 7 o'clock in the morning. Gonna go put some smoke with it. Let it rock on for about 6 hours. I'll show you when I put it on the smoker. That'll be just a few minutes. Alright. Alright, we got it on. We're gonna let it run about 6 hours. I'm finna add the smoke to it. Set it and forget it. Y'all know how it is. Alright, YouTube, we're gonna pull it out, add a little moisture to it, wrap it up, let it go about another 2 hours, and it'll already be done. And there's the finished product. We're gonna let it cool a little bit more, shred it, and fix us some sandwiches. Got some red hot links we're going to split and cut on top of it. I'll show you them in a minute because a lot of y'all probably don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. Alright, you'll see that in a minute. Alright, we'll cut them up, split them, put on top of the sandwich. Excuse me. We got some macaroni and cheese over there. And we got coleslaw we're going to put on there too. Here we go, we're going to look at the coleslaw. Yeah, it ought to be good. Alright, YouTube. That's how you do a Boston butt, pork butt, picnic ham, whatever you want to call it. That's how this Texas boy does it. Smoked it for about 7 hours. Finna let it chill for a little bit. We'll bust it apart, make sandwiches out of it. If y'all like this video, let me know. You know the rest. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, and I want to tell all my subs something. I'm over 400. I appreciate it. I couldn't do it without you. Love all of you. And we gone.